Krobia Fresh Cha Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Kpando Hearts of Lions. A away game. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko be take off Friday because game Saturday, yes. Until the no na Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Baba Yahaya, the dexterity Baba Yahaya, the skillful Baba Yahaya. Information everybody say out of the game. Confirm. Now a day into Baba Yahaya out of the game. Yes, and no one sem kakra wa ha me dey bro fear. Then again, Ferric Asare could also be out of the game, and also a day into me ho asem kakra wa ha me dey bro fear. Aha is Super 24 TV. Information will be as in top penny dey bro. What you say? Na agudi mu nsem ne dey me say hey ya wada mistake. Na yindi kasubu mu. Follow social media handles no so. Facebook ni Super 24 TV. Instagram Kumasi Blogman, TikTok one Blogman 24 na yindi kasubu mu ho. Ghana football nsemu CCO Asamoah Gyan and MPP Bawumia appointed on the subcommittee of youth and sports on the manifesto or the Babontin ahead of 2024 Ghana general elections. Into baby jet and as I say committee chairman on the subcommittee on youth and sports. A bus sports in Sensema, he's going to advise Bawumia on the manifesto so online. Sana etie into Asamoah Gyan trend ya sape pepe ena etie. Yes, and also ene kakra ewo ho. Enra Baba Rahman Black Stars defender obon the ball ewo Pwak. Yes. Na enra omone in a league game on boy 2-2. In the course of the game, no, and offenty, no, pursue game no for a while, and you're rushing into the hospital. But the good news is that after some hours, no, Baba Rahman was regaining the consciousness, and pay information and any close ally personally meaning kasai. But the very close allies, he's responding, he's normal, everything was on point, and yet the utumfo nyankopon ase for the life of Baba Rahman. Football no football. I think in the 2020 Euros I born 2021 no Ericsson our player Manchester Folk of sign no Ericsson and so far the same thing very crucial. Yes, na yada utumfo nyankopon ase in football yehu players are on my faintia fufia ntwata o ma mabio, but with this one yada utumfo nyankopon ase. So these are some of the side news ewo ho ana was me piama kakran sana makokrobia Asante Kotoko ukuma pema pembe by sa moto yemfa nkotwa loto. The next agenda for Krobia Asante Kotoko Kpando Hearts of Lions as the league resumes no Krobia versus Kpando away game. Baba Yahaya out of the game because Baba Yahaya ekra 1 2 3 yellow cards. So FIFA and the Ghana football run ukra 3 yellow cards it rules you out of the next game. Inti Baba Yahaya enkosa match ni bi. That's information ewo ho na wo say your mama so tinti hu say Baba Yahaya out any injury and any bibia and enra which was Wednesday no Kotoko goalkeeper Ferric Asare on the training grounds na or complaining of ill health which was got to do with malaria as was na no honam nyane de na no nyane de kakra enti ono so it could be doubtful say ono so be joining or Friday or Thursday and between Friday say or they be recover through bibia ekoso won with the malaria dey once bebre enti na malaria signs kakra wom na yamani take off kakra, but in the course of few days he him so be regain fully fit na wa woso malaria na gudia obe join the team to Kpando sa ekoba say malaria no ent me free system no be here more resting so Ferric Asare into me enjoying Krobia for the Kpando games no, and also any kakra ewo ho information e wo wiase to ho ayere be bro ofia aha e Super 24 TV.